Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Today we are at Endless Summer, Surfside Inn and Suites. We're going to give you a tour of room 2910. Come on in, check it out. Alright guys, let's enter together like we enjoyed doing here on Medling World. So room 2910 is what they considered a suite here at Surfside. First thing I want to show you guys is you do have this main power switch here. So you want to put it up. If you hit it down, watch, everything shuts off. Sometimes some hotels you have to put a card in. This one you can just hit the button. So we did come in the room earlier and just got back actually from the park. So check out our vlog from our lunch, my birthday lunch, actually my birthday today. Please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet, and of course Roberta and Jake are gonna help with the tour. That way I don't forget anything. So here in the suite, this is what they consider a suite. It's a very basic suite.
They call it two-bedroom suite.
Two-bedroom suite.
Two-bedroom suite with a pool view.
With a pool view.
Yeah.
So you get this, you know, it's themed like you're at the beach, right? It's Surfside, so you got like a picnic table, you got a couple chairs here. This is kind of a stool, and then kind of like a bench. So it is nice to have this. We stayed actually across over at Dockside in a regular room, which it didn't have any of these things. So I think this is definitely what's added on, and then a bedroom. We'll get to it. So over here you got a nice little shelf, a couple shelves. If you're gonna be in a suite for a while, you might have something you want to make in a microwave. You get a microwave, you get a kind of a medium-sized fridge. You got a sink here. You got your coffee service with coffee supplies. And you have an ice bucket and some like paper plates and bowls, or plastic plates and bowls. A couple shelves down there. Let's see, just one outlet here. Looking at this piece of artwork. Oh, this overhead light. And I'll tell you what, I like the room because it's got really high ceilings, like very high ceilings. It makes it appear to be bigger. There, look at that. Moving right along, full-length mirror here, guys. And of course you're at Surfside, so you have the surfboard theming. You got hooks on the mirror. Looks like there is an overhead light there. Okay, so this switch does that light and this light. And I think it also does that light there above the microwave.
Yeah.
Yep. Now we'll leave them on, make more light in here while we vlog, Roberta. Looks like a couple of queen beds here.
Yeah.
Also, you have outlet there. Also have these little Scott's light. So those are manual. You got the artwork. So kind of like, it reminds me of being in a cottage, kind of like an old beach cottage, you know, nothing too fancy. Does the job. It's simple.
It's nice though.
It is nice. Oh, absolutely. And oh, by the way, we're also going to do a review of the room in this same vlog. We'd give a tour. On Medling World, we do things a little different. We give a tour and we give a review, and we have multi people helping. Here is just like the nightstand's like an old chest. It does not open. It's just for the looks of it, but it serves the purpose. A little shelf. Clock, more outlets. Oh, it's got a USB there as well. And then again, you have the lamp. And you also have these little Scott's lights on the wall, or one. I'll make my way over that side. You got your air conditioning unit here. There you go. And here is the view. So there's two towers. That's tower 1 over there. We're actually in tower 2, and then you can see the view here of the pool. Kind of like a fish, right? Or a surfboard maybe. To me it looks more like a fish.
Yeah, for me too, it looks like a fish.
Like a fish. But plenty of seating. Very nice view too, with the lake there, and of course Orlando. Oh wait, I see Epic Universe from here.
Wait, where?
Yeah, that's Stardust Racers in the background. You probably can't see on the camera.
No, oh yeah.
It's actually a very nice view of it.
You can see my ride.
And that's Roberta. Actually, we are going Monday for a preview
Yeah, and I work.
I don't want to interrupt the
For
vlog.
now,
but
but first people watching.
yeah, check it out.
I work as Stardust Racers.
Yeah, so follow us along. Lots of epic content coming up. Moving our way across. TV is nice. Nice flat screen TV.
Down there.
Oh, yeah.
Back.
Oh, I like the hooks.
Yeah.
You got some, there's not a ton of storage. You got some drawers here. Also though, I'll show you in a minute, under the bed you can put your suitcases. There's a light there.
Right there outside.
Okay, delayed reaction. And some more outlets.
Looks like they have in-room pizza delivered too.
Yeah. Phone. Some more theming. And then we come around.
Right here. Luggage.
Oh yeah, let me show you under the bed. You can put your suitcases under there. So that's really only storage area there was those 3 drawers. Now this is, again, considering this a 1-bedroom suite.
2-bedroom.
2-bedroom suite.
That's
So
what
the,
they call 2-bedroom.
yeah, I get it. It's not really a like a living area, so to speak. It's just kind of like separated with a wall.
It's just a line.
And we have a little piece of coral.
Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's cute.
Another TV, some more hooks, outlet there, another little bench, ottoman bench. Let's see, safe. And here's some more storage. You got a full-length ironing board, iron, hangers, extra linens. So I guess you could fit 2 people per bed, so you could fit 6 people in this room.
And does it get really dark?
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
It gets really dark.
So yeah, that really works well. And then of course, again, we already saw the view. But, so you got nice big windows in both the bedroom areas. And same on both sides, you got an outlet there. USB, I'll show you here. USB, these are controlled. And another regular outlet underneath. Moving right along. It's a simple room, but it does the job, right? It's nice if you were traveling with a big family. Plenty of room for everybody in one room, so you don't need to get 2 rooms. Double sinks. Got your towels. Got soap, Kleenex, more linens there. You got your hair dryer built right into the wall. The mirror has a light in it. Let's see. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Coming in here, bathroom's nothing fancy. But again, this is a value resort, but I think
Yeah.
it is modern and nice for a value resort. It's very clean.
Yeah, they have the
Got
shower.
your toilet here. And this comes with a tub.
Yeah, shower and a tub, yeah.
And you got a clothesline that would extend out, and then you can hang it here. You got some amenities. And you do have some adjustment there on the shower head. But the tub is always nice if you have little kids, smaller kids that need baths. You got a hook. And I think that pretty much covers the room.
Yeah.
So we're gonna come back, guys, again in vlog time 2 seconds. We're staying for a couple nights, and then the morning we check out, we'll actually be heading to Epic Universe for the team member and family preview. And we will give you a summary of the room. We'll give you a review of what we liked, didn't like, and if the room functioned well for us. Vlog time 2 seconds. All right, guys, and just like that for you, vlog time 2 seconds. For us, it's been a couple days. But we're getting ready to head out today, and this is the review of our room here at Surfside. Again, it was a suite. Guys, what'd you think of the room?
I liked it a lot. I couldn't really, when I was sleeping, I couldn't really hear anything passing through the hallway. I do think the shower and the bathroom in general is a little what's the word again? Tight space.
Oh.
Claustrophobic, Jake.
Yeah.
Very good, Jake.
But it did lack a ceiling fan when you go to sleep in both the rooms.
Yeah, there's no ceiling fans, yeah.
Let me tell you, this is from a seasoned traveler. He remembered all the stuff
Yeah.
that I wasn't even thinking about. But yeah, I love the point with the shower, definitely.
Yeah.
You already saw the room, so the shower was, yeah. And yeah, it did lack that ceiling fan. But I do agree, it wasn't like wicked loud anywhere. In fact, probably a little less in most hotels for me with loudness.
Yeah,
At night, I'm talking like when you're just kind of chilling. Of course, you're going to hear a door here and there and maybe some people walking, but it wasn't like I couldn't hear the people around me or anything like that.
No, nothing about, like, just like regular hotel, like the noise from the doors, things like that, like banging. And things.
Yeah, it's just kind of normal that you hear.
But from here, we couldn't hear anything.
No, I couldn't hear anything going on outside.
Yeah.
And we like to do these reviews because it's always different. It doesn't matter whether you're staying whatever level value or all the way up to a moderate. You know, it's always a different experience.
Yeah. I did have a hard time with the pillows. Pillows are more towards the firm side than it is soft side. So I had a little bit of hard time. But normally it doesn't happen most of the hotels. But again, that's just like, you know, maybe if you don't like a little bit more firm, I just ask them to see if they have a soft pillow.
Yeah, you can.
Things like that.
Well, the thing too is with the pillows, they're all different, kind
Correct,
of.
yeah.
So you can just kind of mix and match.
Yeah.
But I think overall what we did,
AC worked good.
AC was excellent.
Yeah.
I think it was nice to have this suite because Jake did enjoy having that other room.
Yeah.
The first night he just kind of slept out here, but then yesterday he's like, wait a minute, I can enjoy this nice room. So it was almost like at home where he had his own little space because we were here 2 nights.
Yeah.
And it made a big difference for me being able to stay over 2 nights rather than 1 night.
It's true.
More vlog purposes, but also I didn't even pick up my camera yesterday because I showed so much the first day.
Yeah.
There wasn't really anything for me to show.
Yeah.
And until we checked out, so
We enjoyed that a bit.
I got to enjoy being with my family, and it was my birthday weekend. So, guys, I think that wraps it up.
Yes.
Yeah, overall, I think the room is great, especially if you have a bigger family, maybe 5 or 6 people.
The hair dryer is not the best, but it's okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, if like comparing to, for an example, a Ventura hotel, this did like a hair dryer.
it's a value resort. I mean, and it is a typical value
Yeah.
resort when it comes to the room, but the room was clean and nice,
Correct.
and it's newer, which
Correct.
is very good.
Yes.
No desk either, so that's a little bit of if you had to do some work, but you did have the table. As you can see, Medling World is always working.
Yeah.
We're on our way to Epic Universe this
Yeah,
morning.
yeah.
Jake and I's first time. This is how we do our vlogs, guys. I hope you enjoy because we keep it real. Guys, please take a moment. Subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. We'll give you a little view here as we close out. And last but not least, Jake.
See ya!